Hi guys, I'm P from doc.online.progress, and in this video I want to present you the MagicMenu by iBoysoft. Hey there and welcome back to our channel. At first, let's take a look at iBoysoft's website, where we find all the info about the MagicMenu and where of course you'll find the download button. So you may be wondering what this MagicMenu is all about. Actually, it's the real right-click button that's missing from a Mac. It's a small tool that customizes and enhances the right-click menu, so with a simple right-click you can add and customize new files, transfer files, quickly access to an item, uninstall an app, compress a file, and so many other options. Personally, I find extremely useful the option to find and clean duplicate files in similar photos. Another helpful tool is the image convert, which allows you to convert even multiple images to so many different formats, and all that with only one click. That's amazing, right? As you see, this software is compatible with all Mac devices and all recent operating systems, and supports a wide range of file types. To download and install the app, you only have to press a button, and after a few minutes the software will be ready to use. But let me show you how easy it is to install it. When the download is completed, just double-click on the DMG file, press install and follow the on-screen instructions. After a couple of minutes, you will be ready to go. Easy peasy! After the installation, you'll confirm by yourself that this software does not require a lot of memory or RAM usage, so your Mac will not be slowed down. Okay, let's explore a little more this awesome software and test some of its features. You can create a new file directly from your desktop or from an opened folder by right-clicking the blank space. To change the default format or add a new one, just right-click on top menu bar next to the sound icon, select it Open Main Menu, where you can choose which formats to enable or disable by ticking the boxes. What makes this software so interesting is that you have the option to even add a file extension of your preference. MagicMenu is also extremely useful when you need to move or copy a file to a new destination folder. You only need to right-click on the file and select Move to or Copy to. It's so easy, guys, really. One of the new features added to MagicMenu is the uninstall option that helps you to delete quickly unwanted applications from your Mac. It's actually a very easy operation. You need to go to the Applications folder, locate the unwanted app, right-click on it and choose Uninstall. Then click Yes to confirm your choice. At this point, I would like to say a big thanks to iBoysoft for sponsoring this video, and of course an even bigger thank you to all of you guys for watching this review and supporting our channel. Until next time, bye!